Okay, so let's begin. Welcome all to Financial Fitness session for today. My name is Samir Bapat, and today we are going to learn about how to earn money from RSI and SMA combined. Okay, so all those who are ready to learn and earn money, type yes. If you are ready to learn and earn, type yes. Okay, thank you. Okay, so the setup. First, we'll understand the setup. What is the RSI setup? What we have to take. The RSI setup, what we have to take is we have to change the setting of RSI to 60 and 40. Default RSI setting is 70 and 30. We will change the RSI setting from 60 to 40. That is point number one. Point number two, when we are taking trade, we want monthly, weekly, and daily RSI to be greater than 60. So you can note down these two steps. RSI settings 60 and 40. Monthly, weekly, and daily RSI has to be greater than 60. Everyone okay? Yes? Okay. Then once we have done this, then we apply a simple technique using simple moving average of 50 days. We will buy at close greater than 50 SMA, sell at, we'll exit the price at whenever the close is below the 50 SMA. You can note down and then I'll go to the chart and demonstrate how to do it. Once you are noted down, let me know. Done? Okay, so I'll repeat. Setting 60 to 40 for RSI, monthly, weekly, daily RSI should be greater than 60. This is a trading plan, buy at close greater than SMA 50, sell at close less than 50. So let's straight away dive into the trading. Okay, now now I have taken this. Let's say first is this is the trading view. This is a daily chart. What I will do is I will apply the RSI. So I'll type RSI. It will give relative strength index. You have to click on that. You'll get the RSI below here. Go to settings. First of all, style. Remove all this RSI. I don't know why they are given now. And Bollinger Band out background. Then upper band make it 60. Lower band make it 40. Everyone okay? So far so good? Yes? And click OK. So your Bollinger Band will become 60 to 40. Now, I'll take some past example. So what you have to do is go to the monthly chart. Now I have shifted to monthly chart. I'll take some past example. Let's take somewhere around 2017. Can I say the 2017 monthly chart is above 60 from here to here? Almost here. Can everyone confirm that they can see this monthly chart from 1st February 17 till July 19? It is above the 60 RSI. So let me mark it as a green. Now I'll just mark, then I'll go to weekly chart. Can I say this weekly chart is now above the RSI? From here to here? I'll just mark with these two lines so that we are clear. Okay, so weekly RSI is above 60 from here to here. So what I have done is, for demo purpose, see, monthly was about 60 from this duration to this duration. Then we went to weekly chart. Weekly chart is above 60 from here to here. Everyone okay? So far so good? Yes? Okay. Now we go to daily. Now daily, normally what, so daily is above the 60-day moving 60 RSI from here. Now once we have daily above 60 RSI, what we do is we will apply moving average. Moving average will apply. It is by default, it is 9. We'll go to setting, change the setting to length 50. Style will change it to black and make it little thick so that it is properly visible, and close it. Okay, so now can I say this daily RSI is above 60? Everyone okay? I will buy, it is above the 50-day moving average on daily. I'll buy here. So I have made this cross, this purple line here. When will I sell? When will I sell this stock? Anyone? When it's below 50-day moving average. So we will buy it, and is it close below 50-day moving average here? See, it went above the 50-day moving average. It's kept on above the 50-day moving average, and it closed below the 50-day moving average. We close here. So we buy at this location, we sell at this location. Now, do we buy here again? So I'll remove this. I'll remove this. Now, can we buy here when it is crossing above 50-day moving average? No, we cannot buy, because if you do see, the RSI is not above 60. Here, the RSI is not above 60. We buy above the 50-day moving average only when the RSI is above 60. Daily RSI. So daily RSI, weekly RSI, and monthly RSI, all three are above 60. Then we buy. So here the daily RSI goes above the 60. We have already marked the weekly is already up. Weekly is up from here to here. The daily RSI goes up from here. We buy here. So were we able to save some whipsaws here? 1, 2, 3, something like that. Buy, sell, buy, sell. So it went above and below the 50-day moving average. So we were able to save some whipsaws, buying and selling. Now, when we will sell it? When it closes below the 50-day moving average. So we sell it here. Fine. Everyone okay? Can I have yes if you are clear? Everyone okay? Everyone good? Okay, great. Now, the point to be noted, and I want everyone to note, see, it is most effective when the RSI is crossing above 60 on daily. Okay. When the RSI is crossing above 60 and the price is closing above 50-day moving average, if those points are at the same time, that is the best time to buy. Sometimes what will happen is, see here, the RSI is crossing above 60. Can you see the value here? See here, the RSI is crossing above 60. The price is already here. You can buy, still you can buy. I'll just delete and then, okay. But let's check whether weekly was up or not. Okay, now let's go to weekly for 10th October. Yeah, weekly was up. Okay, weekly was up till this date. Okay, so we are going to use from here to here. Okay, weekly and daily we come back. So, okay, so RSI here daily also has gone up. It is above this. We buy here above the 50-day moving average, and we sell when it closes below the 50-day moving average. Same thing. We keep on repeating, right? So we buy, we sell, we buy, we sell. How many of you think this is a very good and simple technique? Can I have yes if you would agree that this is a simple technique? It's effective, right? So you buy, you sell, buy, sell. So it's a high probability winning strategy. And Ganesh, I have repeated. I'm in a hurry, so I cannot go it again. I'll be uploading the recording. I'll show it sometime latest. Okay, so let's come to the latest part. You can follow. Okay, now what you have to do is, what is the first step? What is the first step? Someone? RSI 60 to 40. Then monthly RSI is greater than. Okay. So from here till here, monthly RSI is above 60. Great. Now we go to weekly. Weekly RSI is greater from here, and one day only it's gone down, but we don't know. Weekly, okay. Weekly has gone up. Then we go to, okay, I'll mark this also for our subsequent use. Okay, so in one day it has gone down. Okay, we mark it. First we will take this, and then we will take this, and then third we will take this. So I'm marking where the weekly is high. Monthly is continuously high, so I'm marking where the weekly is high, for so that you can do the back testing as suggested. Okay. Okay, now we go to daily. So this is 1st March 21. Okay, and then what we do is we apply the 50-day moving average. See, here you'll find that daily it is shifting here, right? If the daily is going above the 60 and it's pretty far away, preferably don't take the trade. Why? Because already it is above this 50-day moving average. It is too far away. Don't take the trade. Okay. Here, okay, here again, it is pretty far away. Let's see what is happening here. See here, it's almost there, right? It's almost close to 50-day moving average. It is better to take a trade here and ride the wave till top. So little subjectivity is there, little with practice it will come. Preferably RSI and 50-day moving average should cross above very close by. Fine, everyone okay? Okay, great. So with that, we come to the end of the session. Uh, I'll not be able to take the question answer sessions today. Okay, we'll go through the question answer session. We are only at 15 minutes. So, okay, so I'll allow you to unmute. Please go ahead. I'll take 4 questions only. Okay, so yeah. So Praveen Gupta, Gopala Krishna, yeah, please go ahead. Praveen ji, go ahead.
One question. You are using 50-day simple moving average, correct, sir? So why will it be more effective if we use exponential moving average?
You can try and test it out. See, it's only basis the testing. If you can put it on the testing and test it out. If you find it is more effective, you can use that.
Okay, there is nothing like that we should be sticking with.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. If you
And
find
another follow-up question. So, which stocks we should select for these kind of trading?
always fundamentally good stock. Don't go for fundamentally bad stocks. You should always all technical indicators we should put on the fundamentally good stocks only.
So maybe Nifty 50 or something like that.
See, you have attended my full day session on fundamental analysis.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I have told how to select that. Take someone from there and put it on this.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Welcome. Yeah, Gopalaji.
Sir, can we apply this strategy in the earning strategy one?
You can apply this also. See, all techniques lead to capturing the up move.
Yes.
So you can apply this there also.
I will watch this time.
Yeah. Okay. So I'll take last question from Vikas. Yeah, Vikas, go ahead. Vikas Chaudhary, you are there? Okay.
I'm there, sir. I'm there.
Yeah, your question.
Yeah, yes, I thought that Gopala asked the same question. Is this technique applicable to indices as well?
Indices, see how you will buy indices.
No, futures you can buy, na?
See, futures, okay, you can buy, no problem. No harm in that. See, it's only showing the strength of the movement. So if it is RSI strong for monthly, weekly, and daily, anyway, it will take off and you can do it. But you should have appetite for the drawdowns also. This strategy is not free of drawdowns. No strategy in the world is free of drawdowns. So what I would suggest is go back, do back testing, and see whether you have appetite for those drawdowns. If yes, apply it for futures also.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, great. So thank you all. Thank you so much for joining. I have to close the call early because of some personal reasons. So with that, we end the call. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining. I'll be uploading the webinar on YouTube. Those who have missed, they can see it and earn from that strategy. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.